Dynamic blocks have custom grips that allow you to do things like stretch, rotate, flip, or choose from a menu of options. In this lesson, you will insert a dynamic plumbing block, and then use its custom visibility grip to select from a short list of valves. Open the Plumbing 6 project file to begin. Click Insert on the block panel, and select Multi-Valve from the block list. Click OK, and then insert this block up here, and with Ortho on, click below to set the rotation angle. Press Enter, Enter to repeat the insert command, and then keep going. Click another point and insert the next block. Do the same thing over and over until you have inserted the missing blocks from this plumbing diagram. Zoom in and click on one of the blocks. You'll see a custom grip appear above it. This is the visibility grip. Click it and you'll see a menu of visibility states. I'll choose Gate Valve. The representation changes, so this is very convenient as a user of the block. You don't have to worry about which block it is that you're inserting. You just insert this one valve block, and you can then choose which valve you want at a later date. So this is preferable to inserting individual blocks that represent all the different varieties of valves. I have the flexibility here of changing my mind, and it's very easy to do that with a dynamic block. I'll press Escape, select the next block. I'll change this to a gate valve. Escape. Let's change this one to a globe valve. Escape. And there we have it. From a user's perspective, dynamic blocks are much preferred. Whether you're designing blocks for other people in your firm or just for yourself, it's a good idea to encapsulate all of the different blocks that are related into a series of dynamic blocks that use multiple visibility states. In this lesson, you learned how to use a dynamic block's custom grip to select which representation you wish to make visible for each block reference.